In this video, we listed the top 5 best camera drone that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ReviewZen 8K Dual Camera. Experience the thrill of aerial photography with this lightweight and feature-packed camera drone. Designed with a powerful brushless motor system, the drone delivers smoother flights, better stability, and improved durability during operation. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal and 1080p HD camera, it captures clear videos and stunning aerial shots with enhanced stability. The drone supports app control through a 2.4 GHz connection and offers up to 20 minutes of flight time with a remote control distance of approximately 500 meters. Its radar obstacle avoidance system helps improve flight safety, making it suitable for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts alike. Weighing only 220 g, this compact drone is easy to carry and perfect for outdoor adventures, travel, and creative photography. Number 2. V600 Drone Mini 4 Pro Max Wi-Fi UAV GPS Quadcopter Camera. Take your aerial photography experience to the next level with this advanced foldable camera drone featuring powerful brushless motors and intelligent laser obstacle avoidance technology. Designed for stable and smooth flights, the drone supports GPS positioning, one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, headless mode, and 360 degrees aerial flips for an exciting flying experience. With support for stunning 6K and 8K HD video recording, electric camera angle adjustment up to 90 degrees, and features like gesture photography, gravity sensing, trajectory flight, and 50x zoom, this drone is perfect for both beginners and content creators. The lightweight 212G body offers up to 18 minutes of flight time and an impressive remote control range of up to 2,000 meters. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry during travel and outdoor adventures. The package includes the drone, remote controller, battery, spare blades, USB charging cable, screwdriver, manuals, and built-in HD camera for a complete flying setup. Number 3. S156 Drone 5G Wi-Fi FPV UAV Screen Remote Control Camera. The S156 professional drone is a powerful 2025 model designed for smooth and stable aerial photography. It features an advanced 8K HD dual camera system for capturing stunning photos and videos with excellent clarity. The powerful brushless motors provide quieter performance, better durability, and improved flight stability during operation. Built-in visual obstacle avoidance technology helps prevent collisions and ensures safer flying experiences for beginners and professionals alike. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission, allowing users to enjoy smooth live viewing directly from their smartphone. Its electric adjustable camera can tilt up to 90 degrees for capturing wider and more creative shooting angles from the sky. Smart features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, gesture photography, and trajectory flight make controlling the drone simple and enjoyable. The lightweight foldable design with LED night navigation lights makes it easy to carry for travel and outdoor adventures. With up to 25 minutes of flight time and app control support, the S156 delivers an exciting and professional aerial flying experience. Number 4. V156 Max RC Drone Aerial Photography GPS Return Camera. This lightweight camera drone is designed for smooth aerial photography and fun outdoor flying experiences. Equipped with powerful brushless motors and a 2-axis gimbal, the drone delivers stable flight performance and clearer video capture. The built-in 4K HD camera allows users to take high-quality photos and record stunning aerial videos with ease. Its visual obstacle avoidance system helps improve flight safety by reducing the risk of collisions during operation. The drone supports Wi-Fi, app control, and remote control connectivity, providing flexible and convenient flying options for users. Features like one-key takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and real-time FPV viewing make it beginner-friendly and easy to control. Weighing only 200 g, the compact and portable design makes it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. With up to 15 minutes of flight time and a control distance of approximately 500 meters, it offers an enjoyable and exciting flying experience. This drone is an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and content creators looking to capture unique aerial perspectives. Number 5. F199 Drone 1080p Wide-Angle HD Dual Camera. This compact and lightweight camera drone is designed for exciting aerial photography and smooth flying performance. Equipped with powerful, brushless motors, the drone delivers stable flight control, quieter operation, and improved durability during use. The built-in 6K HD camera captures sharp photos and high-quality aerial videos, making it perfect for travel, outdoor adventures, and creative content creation. Its visual obstacle avoidance system helps reduce collisions and improves safety while flying. The drone also includes integrated propeller guards for added protection and safer operation for beginners. With Wi-Fi connectivity and real-time transmission support, users can easily control the drone and enjoy live aerial viewing through their smartphone. The lightweight 158G foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere without hassle. Offering up to 25 minutes of flight time and a control distance of approximately 200 meters, this drone provides a fun and user-friendly flying experience. It is an excellent choice for beginners, hobbyists, and anyone looking to explore aerial photography with a portable drone.